Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech. So guys, in today's video we want to make a battery booster. As you can see, here is a motor that we are using, and we have the smallest motor as well. We have the two capacitor. The first one is 10 volts 2200 UF, and the second one is 16 volts 1000 UF microfarad. We have a transformer, small transformer here. Then we have our wires that we are using, as you can see. So guys, in today's video we want to make a battery booster, and also we can also use it as a voltage regulator. So we will quickly build it now and see for ourselves, guys. So but before we do that, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, I've placed my capacitor here. So this is the input capacitor, which is 16 volts 1000 microfarad, and here is the output capacitor, which is 10 volts 2200 microfarad. So we are connecting this motor wire to the capacitor parallel. Then here is the input motor and the input capacitor. So the input will be 5 volts. So we are going to do everything right now, guys. So let me quickly connect the wire now. So as you can see, I've connected the wire. The green wire here is negative and the brown wire here is positive. As you can see, the yellow of the motor is negative and the other color is positive. As you can see, this is it. So now we are putting a rubber here, guys. So it's the one that will turn the other motor so that we can use it for our battery booster. And also this stuff can be used for voltage regulating. Maybe you have like 5 volts, then you want to regulate it to maybe 2 volts or 3 volts, so we can use it also. So let's quickly do the remaining activities, guys. So guys, this is the transformer we want to use for the output here. So we are putting it somewhere here. So this is the transformer, guys. So we are going to put our wire here and the other wire here. So our output will be will be the main output. Then this is the where we are going to put our wire for the motor like this. Then the other wire will be here. So let me quickly wire it. Then the other line here, as you can see. So this is it, guys. So here will be our output. Then I will connect the motor wire, the both wire here, to the both pin here. So let me quickly do that, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the positive here. So this will be our positive, and this is the negative. This wire will be our negative. So I've connected it right now. This is the output motor. So then here is the input. I will soon connect it with our micro USB. This is the micro USB, guys, for 5 volt input. So I'll put that here. I will quickly do that. So this one now, we are going to put it here. So let me quickly do this. So I've placed the transformer here. This is the transformer now. So here will be our, so this is the positive, like I said before. This is the positive and this is the negative for the output. So I've connected it, everything parallel. So I will do the input right now. This is the micro USB, guys. So let's quickly do that. So guys, this project is completed, as you can see. So I've put my micro USB here, and here is the negative. So it was connected to negative leg of the capacitor and to the negative leg of the motor, and here is the positive wire. It was connected to the positive wire of the motor and the positive leg of the capacitor. As you can see, everything was parallel. So here is 5 volt input. So when the motor rotates, it turns the big motor, then it generates the output here. So here is the capacitor, and here is the output wire, guys, as you can see. So we can use it to boost our battery. So we are going to test it now and see how this thing is working. So this is the 5 volt charger, guys. So let me plug it. So it is working now, as you can see. Sorry. So let's test it, the output, with this LED. This is a 2 volt LED. So it's working, guys, as you can see. So you see the input is 5 volts, 5 volt input, then the output is 2 volts, 2.60 something volts. So because we are using it for battery booster, so and we can also use it for voltage regulating. Maybe you have like 12 volts, you can also use 12 volts to power it. Maybe you have a 12 volt output, then you want to regulate it to like maybe 5 volts, then you can build this simple motor regulating, and also it can be used for battery boosting. So maybe your battery is not working well, you can use it to boost it, because there's a transformer here and the capacitor, so we can use it to boost it. Then we can also use it for regulating, because this is 2 volt output, then we power it with 5 volts. This is 5 volts charger, so we can also use it for, you can also use 12 volts input, but because of the sake of the project I'm using 5 volts. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. I will see you in the next video. So as you can see, it is working. As you can see, there's no any wire here, so we are getting our output inside this motor.
So as you can see, this is the output voltage from 5 volts to 2.50 volt. Assuming we power it with maybe 12 volts, maybe we can have like 5 volts output. So we only power it with 5 volt charger. So we have 2 point something volts. So we can use it to boost battery. I also use for regulating. So please subscribe to my channel, guys, if you find this video helpful.